Hi everyone, welcome back to Logic Stud. In today's session, we are doing a Snowflake view deep dive, one of the most important topics for data engineers. We will explore three types of views: standard, secure, and materialized, and see them in action to a live SQL lab. Let's get started. First, what exactly is a view in Snowflake? A view is like a virtual table. It doesn't store any data physically. Instead, it's a saved SQL query that runs each time you access it. Views help us simplify queries, secure sensitive data, and keep business logic consistent. View for a virtual table, it has no data stored, simplifies complex SQL logic, and provides controlled access to data. Always source latest data from base tables. In Snowflake, there are mainly three types of views you will use in real projects: standard, secure, and materialized. Now let's go hands on and see each one in action. Let's first set up our Snowflake environment. We will create a database schema and two tables like customers and orders. This will be our base data for all views. By using this query, we can create it, and we can insert some sample records by using this query. Perfect. Now we have customers and orders ready. Let's create a standard view that joins our customers and orders. This view will display order details with customer needs. Create or replace view, you name as select a column list from table name, join by condition. So when we query the view, Snowflake executes the SQL logic dynamically. No data is stored inside the view, it just shows live results. Now let's move on to secure views, used for sensitive or restricted data. A secure view hides its SQL definition, so users can see results but not the query logic behind it. By using this query, we can create it. And even if a user has access to this view, they can't see the SQL used to build it. That's perfect for confidential data or multi-tenant systems. Secure view for query hidden from users. Let's ensure our role has proper privileges before creating the materialized view. By using the code, we can grant it, and this gives our role the access needed to read views and materialized views. Now comes from the powerful one, materialized view. This step stores data physically, so queries run much faster. By creating this query, when we run this query, Snowflake returns pre-computed results from the stored view. Now let's test and insert and see how it auto-refreshes. Snowflake automatically keeps the materialized view updated and super efficient. Materialized views for store data plus auto-refresh. So what's really happening behind the scenes? Standard view for execute SQL every time. Secure view hides SQL logic. Materialized view stores pre-computed results. Snowflake automatically manages refreshes and optimization for materialized views. But remember, since data is stored, they use both storage and computer credits. Here are some quick best practices for using views efficiently. Use views to simplify logic, secure views for restricted data, materialized view for performance, and avoid nested views. Also monitor cost and refresh frequency for materialized views. They are great for read heavy workloads. Let's quickly recap everything we did today. Created standard view for simple data joins, created secure view to hide query logic, created materialized view for performance, and tested all of them with the real data. So views in Snowflake, it's a flexibility, security, and speed. That's a wrap up for today's session on Snowflake View Deep Dive. Try this lab yourself in your Snowflake account and let me know in the comment how it worked for you. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Logic Store for more data engineering content. Thanks for watching.